Hey, what's up, guys? I'm on my new bike, the 290X. Me and my friend Josh here, we're heading down to Key West, Florida from Lakeland.
I came home like a stone, and I fell heavy into your arms.
We got about a 6-hour motorcycle ride ahead of us.
These days of dust, I wish we've known, will blow away with this new sun. And I'll kneel down way.
We're in a Walmart parking lot right now. I think Chick-fil-A's over there.
And I'll kneel down on my ground. And I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. So break my step and relent. You forgive and I won't forget. Know what we've seen, and him with less. Now in some way shake the excess. 'Cause I will wait for you.
Alright guys, we just got to Islamorada. We just checked into our room. Now it's time to unload the heavy backpacks and go exploring. I'm just gonna give you a little shot of the room real quick. It's right on a little marina, has a bar, restaurant. But we kind of lucked out. We got this room for $89. And it's actually a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. Alright, we're just riding around Islamorada right now. We just went to the Worldwide Sportsman store and the restaurant behind it. Bikes did great on the whole way here. It was about 6 hours of riding, roughly 400 miles. But we're gonna go find a bar and drink some cervezas. Hey guys, had a good ride today. Did about 400 miles. We're about to call it a night and get ready for our ride down to Key West tomorrow. It's probably only about a 2-hour ride, but we got a lot of little stops planned on the way. Sorry about the crappy audio on the way up here. I didn't realize it was going to be all staticky. I'm trying to get that worked out right now. That way the rest of this weekend's motovlogs will come out crystal clear.